Welcome everybody. So I'm in my art room tonight and I'm going to do a Dutch pour circle. So I'm going to pour some white Artist Loft. This is Artist Loft Floetrol. Comes in the big bottle like that. And I've just added water. I'm going to have to torch this. There's a lot of air bubbles. That's what the torch is for. It's very runny. It's supposed to be runny. So that the colored paint can easily be blown across. And the colored paint will be runnier too. Take my torch. Some of these air bubbles out. Okay. I've never done one of these before, so it's the first time. So the idea is you take your paints. This is Windsor Violet. See, it just runs in there and doesn't make a mound. Add a little bit more water. And here's my magenta. Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. I have Amsterdam Yellow and a violet. This is Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet, I think it's called. Okay, I have a little bit of gold. All right. I'm going to use my, I'm going to try my spoon. Let's make a circle. My sister Diane did one of these, and I saw somebody on Instagram do one. I forget what the person's name was. I'll put my sister's in my link in my description below. Yeah, it doesn't work good with a stick. You need a spoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow. And this light gold. See how thin this is? Barely even, this makes a bit of a mound. I like it when it doesn't. Let's show you this one. See how it goes straight in? That's better. I think I got all the colors in there. Now, I'm gonna try and blow some paint. Don't know whether I need to do that or not. Let's take a bit of white paint. Extra paint. I'm just going to blow it over. And then we're going to blow it out. Now, should I use my mini blower? Free to. I'm going to try using my straw. Well, it's not much of a circle, is it? Now I think I'll blow some of this in. This is interesting. I think it's kind of cute. What happened there? A lot of yellow. Well, that's my first try at this. It's different, that's for sure. Some squiggly lines in the middle. Excuse me. I think it's pretty. I like it. See if I can see if I can bring you in for a close-up. Oh, I can't. I have to hold it up. I put my camera the other way today. Yeah, that's my circle Dutch pour. I think I'll try some more of these. They're kind of neat. Well, thanks for coming by for this one and have a great day. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the bell for notifications for when I do more videos. I'll put the dry result of this at the very end. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. So this is my circle Dutch pour. And it's taking so long to dry. So the problem was, this is on a canvas board for one. So it had quite a lot of paint on there, so it will take a long time to dry. I put it on something like this at first. So all the paint, sort of the canvas bent in the middle so that the, if you can see, it's a little bit concave there. So I thought, uh-oh, that's not a good idea. So I put it back on my flat area with opened at the bottom so that it can dry in from underneath too. And it's a bit better. It's still quite wet in the middle. That's where most of the paint pooled. Most of it stayed okay. There was a couple of little areas that moved a little bit, but not too bad. So it's drying okay. So note to self, please lay your canvas panel board on a flat surface. Anyway, there you go. That's the dried results. Take you in over here and see some little cells going on. But I will do another one of these and hopefully it'll be a little bit better. It'll be a lot better, I hope. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.